Quick update. We've streamlined the game duplication process to make everything run much smoother. Today, I'll take you through the complete project conversion pipeline from the ground up and reveal what happens under the hood. Kick things off by heading over to your target games page, right-click anywhere and hit Inspect. From there, jump straight into the Network tab and reload the page. Once the files show up, scroll all the way back up, right-click the very first entry, head over to Copy and pick Copy as PowerShell. Head back to the site, the link will be in the description, and paste that snippet right into the input box. Also, provide a link to the place you want to copy. That kicks off the processing phase. As your files get bundled, the system handles asset conversion and animation remapping automatically behind the scenes. Just give it a few seconds to finish packing the project. When it wraps up, you'll get a fully ready-to-launch RBXL file. Drop it right into Studio to check out the outcome, featuring a clean project layout, linked assets, operational animations, and a solid foundation for testing, learning, and future building. Quick setup, streamlined pipeline, and ready to open and develop.